Hey, what up guys? It's your boy Andy C. Welcome back to Drip Tesla. Today we're going to be talking about the all-new automatic LED lights for your Tesla. Let's go. There are a lot of LED lights for your Tesla nowadays, but I think I finally found the right one. EV Base just sent me these and they came out with the perfect new design. So the LED lights turn off automatically. One is for the dashboard and the other one is for the center console. Automatically means that older designs you would have to use a cigarette lighter and has a red button at the end and you just press on and off. But this one is connected to an adapter where it will turn off within 30 to 60 seconds as soon as you leave your car. It also comes with a phone app where you can change your colors and your light fixtures. I've honestly been waiting for this kind of design ever since I bought my Tesla. If you guys like this product, I'll put a link down below with a discount code. And if you buy it from me, thank you so much. And I will also link every modifications that I've done to my Tesla since 2021. So without further ado, let's do a little unboxing and installation video for you guys. Let's go. So on the left here, you will see the front dash LEDs, a cigarette lighter, USB, and the adapter. Comes with some double-sided tape and a tool to work with. On the right side, you're gonna see the left and right center console LEDs, cigarette lighter, adapter, a USB, and a tool to work with. Now, the most important part about making this automatic is this little piece right here. Okay, so they sell this separately, but it's very well worth it because once your car runs out of power, it literally just turns off by itself. And that's the whole point. There are other LED lights that just stay on and you would have to use a cigarette lighter to manually push it on and off. But with this, you don't need this cigarette lighter at all. You can connect it to the USB and everything will turn off automatically when you leave your car. Okay guys, let me show you guys how to install both of these step by step. Okay, so we got the front dash LEDs here, okay? As you can see, this is gonna be the light area, and then over here is gonna be the top. So you're gonna wanna put the tape on the top, which is gonna be sticking on top of here, like on top of here, right in the middle, right here. Here's the double-sided tape. You're gonna need a pair of scissors to do this. And then this tape is gonna be going along inside of the LED lights, okay? All around it. Okay, and I'll show you guys what to do after. As you can see, I have the LED lights double-sided taped. And as you can see here, we have the cord coming out to the right side. So what I'm gonna do is stick it from left to right, have the cord coming around and going through the bottom passenger seat to my cigarette lighter. So what you're gonna do next is you're gonna measure this out from here to here, make sure it's even. It's not gonna go all the way to the left and all the way to the right. So it's gonna stop around there, maybe a few inches, okay? And then take the double-sided tape off and make sure you stick it under this thing. Okay guys, so what I did was I put the cord underneath this thing. I lifted it up with the cord underneath it, and so it stays in place. I also measured from here to here just to make sure this is in the center. So I straightened it out and I also measured at the end there, okay? It is very useful to have a measuring tape if you're anal like me. If you don't really care, then it doesn't really matter, okay? So what I'm gonna do is take the red tape off and now stick it under there like that. Okay guys, so the front LEDs are now in. As you can see, there's a thin strip of white line going all the way down to my left side, driver's side. And as you can see here, I measured this area. It's 4 inches. 4 inches here and 4 inches there. And it was a perfect fit. Another thing I did was I put the LED lights little bit past this area. So at night, the LEDs are not bouncing off my front windshield. Okay guys? So for this next step, what I'm gonna do is hide the wires. So I'm gonna take this area off, hide the wire underneath that, go down to my door seal protectors, go under the chair, and have it come out the other side, okay? And can go in my cigarette lighter. Let's give that a shot. For this, you're gonna need the pry tool, which came in the box with the LEDs, and you're gonna just stick it in here and just kind of pop it out, okay? I already popped it out, but it should come out pretty easily. Next, we're gonna pop this out. Just grab it from here and just pop it out, okay? And lastly, we're gonna take this piece out like so. You can literally just pop it out, okay? So what I'm gonna do, like I said, is hide these under here through my door sill. Okay, I'll show you guys that in a second. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have the wire hanging out here. This is gonna go in there. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's plenty of room besides the rubber seals. It's gonna go all the way around like so, and then come out from this side. Okay, come out from this side. You can see the wire is there. It is underneath my door sill. What I did was, let me show you guys. I went under this area right here, this plastic cover. It lifts up a little bit, so it was able to go through all the way down to the left side. Same thing, and then it pops out here. This is plenty of wire left to connect to the cigarette lighter. Okay, now I'm gonna start doing my center consoles, guys. Okay guys, so I have two center console lights here. These ones don't need tape. You're gonna use the orange pry tool that they gave us, and it's gonna be going between right there. Okay, between that, you can lift it up and it should slide right through. The thing is with this one, you would wanna, there's two pieces. So you're gonna start from here, the middle, go all the way around, down to here, okay? Again, and then other one's gonna do the same thing. All right, so the left side of my center console is now connected. I went through these little cracks all the way down to here. I try to make it go around here, but it's impossible to stick the LED lights through here, okay? So I ended up just doing up to here. Okay, guys? I'm gonna do the same thing for the right side. Both LEDs are now connected. As you can see, the white strip going down all the way to here, and that's gonna be this one. And then there's another one going from here all the way down to here. It's gonna be this one. Okay, the next step you're gonna do is get your most important piece. This is the automatic stopper, okay? And then you're gonna insert this into your adapter, which is right there, okay? Once you do that, at the very end, you're gonna find another output, and you're gonna insert your USB this time into there. And this USB is gonna be plugged in into your cigarette lighter. As you can see, I have an upgraded cigarette lighter. This one is can do dual cigarette lighters and has two USBs. The reason I have this is because I have a dash cam as well. Okay, so I need multiple sources of power, and I thought this was a good one. It's just about $20 on Amazon. I think it's very well worth it. So I'm going to do all the connections here, and lastly, I want to show you guys, there's 3 of these, okay? So you're going to connect each one to one of these. So it's going to be left, right, and then the dash that we showed, okay? Let me do that real quick. I'll show you guys. And this is what it shows. Boom. All right, guys. This looks amazing. I'm gonna organize this a little bit, and then I'll get a better quality video of it. Okay, guys? So I'm very stoked how this turned out. This looks awesome, guys. All the way down. Wow, amazing. And I did test the automatic. It does turn off as soon as it loses power. When I say it loses power, it means that it stays idle. But if there's some sentry mode going off, or you're close to the car, you're about to open the door, the car wakes up and this is going to turn on. I would say that's the only downside about it. Otherwise, it turns off again once it loses power, okay? When it becomes idle. This is how it looks, guys. Here's my final video that I want to show you guys. I just want to let you know that it is currently off, the LED lights, okay? But as soon as I open the door, boom. There it is, guys. There it is. I love this product. I give it a solid 10 out of 10. And if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.